Earlier this year, Polk decided to sort of break away from its bread and butter black box speakers and design some more contemporary, modern looking products. The result of which are products like this. This is the Polk Buckle headphone. They're very high class looking. You can even buy them at Nordstrom. These are the Polk Hampden. They're a desktop speaker with Bluetooth connectivity, and they're a little pricey, about 400 bucks, but we're quickly learning that they're worth it. These are kind of an interesting blend of modern and retro. Inside are a bunch of cutting-edge electronics, but the outside are very reminiscent of some of the speakers that Polk made in the 80s. The rounded edges, and even this dial is very decidedly old school. But I do like the soft, rich colors that we have here, and these drivers up front are definitely more modern. This is a very rigid 4.5-inch cone and a gorgeous 1-inch silk dome tweeter. I mentioned that these are Bluetooth capable, but there's also a direct USB connection. Cable is provided for that. There's an auxiliary port here, and then down below we see a proprietary cable for connecting the other speaker. This carries discrete power to both the tweeter and the woofer. I also like that every cord Polk provided is exceptionally long, so you've got lots of placement flexibility. Another little thing I like is the color-changing LED that lets you know which input you're tuned to. Initial sound impressions, there's definitely a lot of power behind these speakers. I mean, check out the heat sink on the back of this thing. But I'm gonna wait for them to break in a little bit. So far, I'm really impressed with the bass and the mid-range. They're very punchy, they're very open and uncongested sounding. There's a lot of detail in the treble, maybe even a little bit too much. And that's what I'm hoping will calm down over time. But for a $400 pair of speakers, I think Polk delivers a lot here.